only option that is available now for parents in choosing and in promoting the trilingualism of their kids, it's by enrolling them in schools with the Programa plurilingüe d'ensenyament en valencià. That's the Valencian-oriented instruction in which they may gain the benefits for being bilingual, but productive bilingual, because the social-linguistic environment affects the way languages are developed and are learned. We know that in a social-linguistic setting in which we have a majority language, a minority language, and a foreign language, the two languages that need to be promoted are the minority and the foreign one, because the majority language has a neutralizing effect on the other two. And this is based on results from scientific research. And this is something that society should know and that parents should take into account before enrolling their kids and before their kids start school. So in order to choose which linguistic program would benefit most their kids, they should take into account those results and thus choose Programa plurilingüe d'ensenyament en valencià.